aking buhay, pagmamahal mo ang aking taglay. Saan man mapadpad, hanggang hindi magbabago aking patingin. Ikaw ang gabay sa aking hinalang, aking ilaw sa gabing mga bakla. Kahit ikaw ipaglalaban ko ang ating pag-ibig. Bakit may nalaman ako'y darating? Pagkatapos sa umayo, puso lahat ay gagawin. Makita ko rin ang mundo. Makita ka mundo. Makita ka muli.
Take off. Good job to the band over there. Good job. Hey guys, you know where you are. This could not be possible right now if it weren't for the votes, and now you're here. In front of everyone, I want them all to know that tonight you showed all of us that you really want to be on that stage. Okay? But as a judge, I have to be very critical. I want you to know you have to listen to each other. I know the volume is up, the energy is up, but I think Gary will agree, in order for a group to sound awesome, they need to hear each other. Para wala, when you go solo, when someone goes to a different, sometimes a little pitchy. When it comes back to the group part, you're okay. But you really have to listen to each other to really get the point across. But good job.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Salamat po.
That's true. When it's a group talaga, you have to listen to each other. And you know, last week, you were in the bottom 2. Di ba? At I was so upset dahil you won over my mark.
Thank you.
But for the past 2 weeks talaga, you were not doing well. But tonight, you did.
Thank you, sir.
Tonight talagang pinakita nila na deserving talaga nila nandito sila ngayong gabi.
Thank you po.
I have to agree with Tita Pelita nung past few weeks, parang nag-aalinlangan pa ako, parang hindi ko alam, ano ba, take off. Ngayon parang, take off. Yes.
Thank you so much po. Thank you po. Thank you.
Nakita ng tao na kaya niyong kumanta ng mabibilis na kanta. Ang sabi ng mga ibang judges na the past 2 weeks, medyo so-so ang performances ninyo. Yan, papunta kayo dun sa take-off na yan. Now you took off in another direction and you did it really well. Hindi ganun kadali na may 4 na rock guitars at lahat. But for me, I'm happy with what I heard and with what I saw tonight. Great
Thank you,
job.
sir.
Take off.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you
so
very
much.
much, judges.
Well done,
Back
sir.
with the band, Take Off! To vote for Take Off, it's XM Straight Take. Konting hintay na lang mga kapamilya at magbubukas na ang voting line. Thank you, Take Off! Alright guys, ang last performer natin for the night mula